Just another day on the homestead. Russell's having a little bit of grain for breakfast. The deer are around all the time and they've gotten pretty tame, which is so nice. They come right up to the house. Of course, they're used to us, and even when I walk outside, they almost approach me. It's pretty exciting, so I'm enjoying this. There aren't any big highways around, there are no people, there's no town, so you don't have to worry about it. These are completely wild animals, and they're only getting to know me, and I am paying attention to that. They don't seem to like anyone else. So if my mother comes to visit, or friends, or my husband, they don't react the same way as if I'm out there. The way I walk, the way I talk, the way I feed them, so that's good. So they're just becoming friendly to one person. But that's still pretty cool. In fact, I can see them over there while I'm over here. So today I wanted to talk about shelters. Now I've already done a video on shelters and just the importance of putting a cover so that the predators can't get your animals in summer, to get away from the weather and the rain and all that kind of stuff. So I went over to the recycle center and I collected a few windows. This one is a really big one, and that is absolutely perfect because it creates a tiny little greenhouse, and it seems to be working. Now the little guy, the little rooster that came into the house just a few days ago, he was really cold. He's the little guy right in the front. He spends a lot of time in here. When everybody leaves the coop in the morning and they run around the garden and they have fun, but it's still cold outside, they all go in here, especially if it's sunny. Then it gets really, really warm. But even if it's not sunny, they're outside, they can see the world, they can enjoy the view. They're having a lovely time just sitting there relaxing. There's a nice big log in there so they can sit on it and cuddle in, but they're warm, and that's really the most important thing. There goes a duck. Oh, there are 2 ducks up there. Look at that. 2 ducks on the gazebo. If you do have a horse or a goat or anything like that that might break the window, make sure that they don't have access to it. But in this particular case, this is a shatter-free, one of those shatter-resistant, what is that word? Windows. So it won't break. Even if Russell does try to step on it, it won't actually break. And I'm not concerned because he doesn't go over there. There's no food around it. There's no water. There's no food. There's nothing. The hay is all old hay anyway. He has his fresh hay other places and his food in other places. So he never goes there. So a few exciting things coming up. We have, what was it, nine teenagers who are now all hens, or at least they'll become hens in the next few weeks, which means they're about to start laying. I believe they're 16 weeks now, but I'll have to go back and look. 16 or 17 weeks, and they're starting to act like they're going to lay. So that's very exciting. There goes another duck up on the gazebo. Now, I am noticing that what they want to do is they're snuggling and hunkering down on Russell's side of the barn, which is the side that's open. And that is a problem because I don't want them to start laying eggs on Russell's side. But these are things that we can definitely fix. So I'll be coming up with videos on how to build a nesting box, different options, what you could use. Obviously what we're going to do, what we will be doing is a little more rustic, but more permanent, so it'll be built of wood. You want to go too? Do you want me to move? Is that better? Now you got a better line? So it seems that I am in the way of flight training because they go way up onto the hill, which is not very big. I mean, this whole run is not very big. They go up on the hill and then they fly straight down and they land up there on the gazebo. A few days ago, one of my Muscovias kept flying over the fence. And I didn't pick her up. I didn't really grab her. I just kind of stayed with her and tried to promote the idea of flying back over the fence, and she did eventually fly back over. Oop, there we go. Flight practice, always good. So we'll be building some nest boxes, and of course we're going to do the run, which will be the addition. It'll go all in here, and maybe come out a little bit. We've got a few plans for that, and that's going to be interesting to see, and also interesting for me because I'm kind of trying to picture it, but I'm not really sure how big I want it or what the deal is. We might make the little coop on the inside bigger. So anyway, there's lots of things to come. It'll be very exciting. At least it'll be exciting for me, and I hope you guys will enjoy and follow along. Russell is playing with the buckets. Russell, don't break it. Anyway, I'm Scarlett. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We got to get that subscriptions up, guys. I've got so many subscribers on my other channels, but I need you guys to subscribe here so that we can grow this channel too. But, you know, if you don't, I'm still going to keep coasting. So once a week, I will see you here on How to Homestead with Scarlett. Toodaloo!